Hi buddy, welcome back to Answers Q. In this video, we'll see some free online courses to learn C# programming language. So before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in description. Do check it out. And here's a small update regarding Coursera. So Coursera is a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from 275 plus leading universities and companies, including Google, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, Duke University, Stanford University. So a lot of topmost universities and companies are offering online courses across different categories through this Coursera platform. So if you want to purchase any course in Coursera, instead of buying a single course, you can opt for Coursera Plus, because this will give you unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses and hands-on projects. You're also going to get job-ready certification programs. So if you're interested in this, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus and get it if you want. So now let's move on and see the free C# programming language courses that are available for everyone. So let's start the list. First one is Learn C# Programming from Scratch, that is offered by Edonix. So you have around 6 hours of learning content in this course, which will cover all the basic fundamental concepts about C# programming language. If you are new and if you are looking for a free certificate course, then you can opt for this one, because once you complete this course, you are also going to get a free certificate from Edonix. And if you are wondering what you'll learn in this course, you can just go through this course content. So there are 9 different sections for this course, starting with the intro section, and then you'll get to learn about the basics of C# programming language. And then there are some concepts like iteration and jumps, and then you'll learn about OOPS, that is object oriented programming language, and there are some advanced features. So a lot of things are going to be covered. This is a long course. 6 hours is a pretty long course, so you can just make use of it and learn about C# programming for absolutely free. It has a very good rating as well, 4.6 out of 5. So if you want a free certificate course, you can opt for this one. Next one in our list is full C# course for beginners offered by Free Code Camp. So here you have around nearly 5 hours of learning content, which will cover all the topics right from the installation and setup, data types, working with strings, numbers, building a calculator, arrays, methods, statements, loops. So a lot of concepts are also going to be covered in this particular course. You can easily take this course because Free Code Camp is offering this course via their YouTube channel. You can see here. You can simply click on the link given here and watch the entire course on YouTube for absolutely free of cost. So this is also a very good course. Do not underestimate because it is available in YouTube. The quality of learning content that you can get from this course is equal to a paid course. So make use of it. Next one on our list is Introduction to C# Programming and Unity by University of Colorado. So this course is already taken by 1 lakh plus students. You can see that here it is hosted in Coursera platform. It has a very good rating as well, 4.7, and content rating is also good for this course. You have around 18 hours of learning content in this particular course. This is also a beginner level one. All the courses which we'll be seeing in this video are beginner level courses, so you do not have to worry about it. Even if you are new to C# programming, you can still take these courses and learn from it. So this course is a bit different from other courses which we'll be seeing in this video. In this course, you'll learn about C# programming, and you'll also learn how to implement it for creating or developing games. So you can see that here skills you will gain as video game development C# programming language. So this is how this course is designed, and you can see here the syllabus as well. You'll learn to start to program with C# in the first week, and in the second week you'll learn about data types, variables and constants. In the third week, it's about classes and objects, and in the fourth week, you'll learn to develop 2D games using C# programming language. So this is how this course has been designed. You can make use of this free course, and if you want to get a certificate, you can just pay and get your certificate for this course. But to learn, you do not have to pay for anything. You can just choose the audit option in Coursera and take the course for free of cost. Next one on our list is Learn C# by Codecademy. So a lot of people have taken this particular course as well. More than 5,99,000 students have enrolled in this course. It has a good rating as well, 4.3. The reason this course is so popular in the industry is because it has a lot of learning materials. 30 hours is a long course. So you can see here it takes approximately 30 hours to complete this course. So you can expect to learn a lot of content related to C# programming in this course. This is also a beginner level program. Everything will be taught from the scratch, so you do not have to worry about it. And if you want certificate, you can also get it, but that is included only with the paid plans in Codecademy. But anyway, to learn you do not have to pay for anything. You can see that here. To learn you can just opt for the free option and just learn for absolutely free of cost. And there are no prerequisites as well. Like I said, it's a beginner level program, so there will be no prerequisites for any of the courses which we'll be seeing in this video. So by taking this course, you can learn to use core C# programming concepts. You'll learn to write your own C# programs. You'll learn about object-oriented programming. You have 20 lessons, 14 projects and 10 quizzes in this particular course. You can see here what are the lessons. So data types and variables, logic and conditionals, methods, arrays and loops, classes and objects. So you can just click on the show all modules and see what are the different topics which are going to be covered. So all the lesson details is also given here. Just go through it before enrolling in the course so that you'll get an idea like what you learn in the course once you enroll in it. Next one in our list is a pretty good one, Learn C#. This is not a single course. This is a collection of learning materials that is provided by Microsoft. So if you want high quality learning materials to learn C# programming, you can just make use of these free courses, tutorials and videos and all other things that is provided by Microsoft. You can see here, there is a huge amount of content in this particular program. All the learning materials are available for free of cost as well. You can see here, C# for beginners video series, Microsoft Learn, take your first steps with C#, add logic to your applications with C#, work with data in C#, what's new in C#, debugging in C#, numbers and decimals. So a lot of tutorials are covered in this particular program as well. And all this is available for you in this single page. So you can just make use of this and learn about C# programming language directly from the experts in Microsoft. So this is a great resource, make use of it. Next one is basics of object-oriented programming with C#. So this is a short course. You have around 1.5 hours learning content, and this course is hosted on Udemy platform. You cannot get a certificate for this course, but anyway, you can just make use of it and learn about C# programming language. Next one is Fundamentals of Programming, Understanding C#. So this is a very good course. You have around 10.5 hours learning content in this course, and it has a very good rating as well, 4.7 out of 5. So again, just because it is available for free, do not underestimate it. The quality of content is good in all of the courses which you are seeing in this video. Next one in our list is Getting Started with C#. So you can just make use of this course. Next one is C# Start Programming with C# for complete beginners. You have around 3 hours 17 minutes of video content. This also has a very good rating, 4.5. So make use of it. Next one is Programming Fundamentals, the basics with C# for beginners. So if you are new to C# and if you want to learn the basic things, you can just make use of all the courses which we saw in this video. And all these are free courses. You do not have to pay for anything. All are free resources available on the internet. So make use of it and learn about C# programming language. I hope you'll definitely find this useful. If you want to get more updates about online courses, do subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this.